we added a whole suite of features to answer this. So I thought I would do a quick walkthrough to just go through them. Now, as before, you can either sign up or log into your existing account. I'm going to sign in with my personal email address here. So just sign in with Google. That's super convenient. Now we're brought to the project screen. So this is a new addition to AnswerThis. Now you can separate your literature review and searches based on a specific project that you're working on. So I can just create a new project here, and actually I want to research writing efficient code. So I'll just create a new project on efficient coding, and then the domain, I would say, let me put the domain as computer science plus biology, because we might have some interesting results. So now that you've created a new project, it'll bring you to a rather familiar screen. This is the search place. So I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough.